In this video, I will show you how to sort data in Google Sheets from highest to lowest based on single or multiple columns. Let's get started. Highlight the range of cells that you want to sort. If your data includes headers, make sure to include them in your selection. Click on the Data option in the top menu. Select Sort Range from the drop-down menu, then click on Advanced Range Sorting options. In the dialog box that appears, if your data has headers, check the box labeled Data has Header Row. From the first drop-down menu, select the column you want to sort by. Choose Z to A for descending order, or highest to lowest. Click on the Sort button to apply your sorting criteria. As you can see, the price data was sorted from highest to lowest, and other data was changed accordingly. If you want to sort data from highest to lowest, based on a single column, you can follow these steps. Select the range of cells that you want to sort. If your data includes headers, make sure to exclude them from your selection. Click on the Data option in the top menu. Select Sort Range from the drop-down menu, then click on Sort Range by column Z to A. Here you go, your data was sorted from highest to lowest. By using either the Data menu or the Sort function, you can effectively sort your data in Google Sheets from highest to lowest based on single or multiple columns.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.